Is your Fortnite gameplay stuttering right when you are about to win a fight? Do not let lag and frame drops ruin your victory royale. You are watching TechVibes, and we are going to fix your performance issues right now. These drops usually happen because of a mismatch between your console settings and the intense demands of the Fortnite Unreal Engine 5 updates. Step 1 is to enable 120Hz mode. Go to your PS5 system settings and ensure your video output is set to automatic for high frame rates. Inside the Fortnite settings menu, toggle the 120Hz mode to on. This reduces input lag and makes your movement feel buttery smooth. Step 2 is to disable the high-resolution textures download. This feature tries to stream massive files while you are playing, which causes huge lag spikes. Go to the Fortnite installation options on your home screen and uncheck the high-resolution textures box to save system resources. Step 3 is to turn off motion blur. While it looks cinematic, it adds a heavy load to the graphics processor and can cause your frame rate to dip during build fights. Switching this off gives you a much more consistent and stable frame rate. Step 4 is to adjust your console video settings for low latency. Ensure that your HDMI 2.1 connection is set to use the auto low latency mode. This tells your TV to bypass all image processing, so your actions happen instantly on the screen. Step 5 is to optimize your network connection. If you are on a 2.4 GHz frequency, you are going to experience interference. Switch to a 5 GHz band, or better yet, use a wired LAN cable to eliminate packet loss completely. Step 6 is to change your system DNS settings for a faster response. Manually enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for your primary server. This helps the console find the Fortnite matchmaking servers much faster and reduces your in-game ping. Step 7 is to rebuild your PS5 database in safe mode. Shut down your console and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Select Rebuild Database to clean up your system software and improve loading performance. Step 8 is to turn off your replays. Fortnite constantly records your gameplay in the background, which takes up precious processing power. Go to the game settings and turn off record replays to give your console more breathing room. Step 9 is to check your storage space. If your SSD is almost full, the PS5 slows down significantly. Ensure you have at least 50 gigabytes of free space so the system can handle temporary game cache files. Step 10 is to clear your console cache. You can do this in the safe mode menu as well. This removes old temporary data that might be causing software conflicts and random frame stutters. Here's a bonus tip for you. Check your display area settings. If your console is outputting at 4K, but you are playing on a 1080p monitor, the downscaling can cause input delay. Match your console resolution to your monitor for the best performance. If you are still facing any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I am watching the comments, and I will try to reply to you within 1 hour. If this fixed your lag, please like and share this video with your squad. Subscribe to TechVibes for more fast solutions to your gaming problems. You are ready to drop back in and dominate the map.